Dogecoin cryptographic money with deference, as Doge is the ideal illustration of what can be accomplished on the off chance that a digital currency has solid local area support. Brought into the world as a web image, Dogecoin shows how a basic joke might increment in worth and come to a $18 billion market capitalization. We've gathered realities about the Dogecoin example of overcoming adversity and gave Doge cost forecast. Dogecoin beginning and reason. Dogecoin was planned utilizing the codebase of Litecoin, and its improvement was pointed toward giving an option in contrast to Bitcoin. It ought to have been a more congenial and cordial digital currency. Its most unmistakable element, nonetheless, is its mascot. The engineers of Dogecoin picked a good times approach towards its turn of events. Dogecoin was somewhat changed when created as a fork of Litecoin. New blocks in the Doge blockchain are made quicker than in Litecoin 1 moment against 2.5 minutes in LTC. Dogecoin's mining trouble is changed, each block found and the prize is fixed. The most unmistakable change occurred in the brand, and it turned into a main thrust behind its fame. The tomfoolery picture of the crypto helped this image token to stand out enough to be noticed in different web-based entertainment. The coin turned popular even external the local area of blockchain innovation fans. Dogecoin value examination. 2018 was an extreme and negative year for Doge. Comparably to the next market, Dogecoin cost brought down by the deficiency of the public's consideration. Dogecoin cost was in a downtrend for all of 2018, in spite of the multiple times the Dogecoin cost was going up for a brief time frame. Today, the drawn-out Dogecoin conjecture isn't exceptionally brilliant. During the value falls of spring, July, and September, Dogecoin was falling alongside the market. The Doge cost drop isn't, however, terrible as it seems to be for Bitcoin, and the cost spikes after the downtrend show that Doge was recuperating quicker than BTC. Dogecoin is clearly extremely reliant upon the general interest in the blockchain business and acts like a large portion of different coins. Examine the distributed on R. For instance, Zcash and Bitcoin Cash, the two coins reflected the Bitcoin cost chart. Because of the way that Doge relies upon the digital currency market developments, anticipating its cost becomes troublesome, particularly in the long term. In expansion to Dogecoin, there are other digital forms of money that can carry cash to their proprietors. The best cryptographic money to put resources into 2022 for long haul. Dogecoin pattern investigation. Dogecoin ubiquity was remarkably steady throughout the span of the earlier year. You can see on the accompanying diagram that the coin even figured out how to get a hunt-term Dogecoin spike in notoriety. The coin was exceptionally fascinating for Google clients with regards to January 2018. 2 or 3 less critical pinnacles occurred in July and December. Toward the beginning of 2019, the prevalence was around a similar level as it was in a similar time of 2018, which is a significant achievement with regards to the business emergency happening today. Doge is broadly claimed, and the local area individuals look to involve their Dogecoins in daily existence. As of late, added Bitrafil's Airbnb installment choice is a genuine model. The cost of Dogecoin isn't exceptionally receptive to media consideration. For instance, the report about Airbnb caused a cost ascend against USD by about 3% more than 3 days after the declaration. As per Google patterns, Doge has a serious crowd and is most well known in Venezuela. Like Scramble, Doge ended up being one of the go-to cryptos in nations where the monetary framework is battling. Different nations with a lot of Dogecoin look incorporate Bangladesh, Pakistan, the Philippines, and Nigeria. It is a decent sign that the coin is utilized as an option in contrast to the authority government-issued types of money of these nations for financial trade between customary individuals. As of late, Dogecoin's cost increased by 100%. Such a triumph was sitting tight for the coin after the distribution of the viral video on TikTok, where the client of the Wolf of Bitcoins showed his mining ranch. An admonition has showed up on Dogecoin's true Twitter account, focused on potential digital currency purchasers. In it, designers encourage not to surrender to FOMO and pursue speculation choices all alone. Dogecoin Value Forecast 2022. As per the specialized examination of Dogecoin costs expected in 2022, the base expense of Dogecoin will be 10 cents. The most extreme level that the Doge cost can reach is 12 cents. The typical exchanging cost is normal around 11 cents. Doge Value Estimate for November 2022. In view of the value vacillations of Dogecoin toward the start of 2022, crypto specialists expect the typical Doge pace of 11 cents in November 2022. Its base and greatest costs can be anticipated at 10 cents and at 11 cents. Separately, December 2022, Dogecoin value figure. Digital money specialists are prepared to report their estimate for the Doge cost in December 2022. The base exchanging cost may be 10 cents, while the greatest could reach 12 cents during this month. By and large, it is normal that the worth of Dogecoin may be around 11 cents. Dogecoin Value Expectation 2023. After the examination of the costs of Dogecoin in earlier years, it is accepted that in 2023, the base cost of Dogecoin will be around 16 cents. The most extreme expected Doge cost might be around 19 cents. By and large, the exchanging cost may be 16 cents in 2023. Dogecoin Value Forecast 2024. In view of the specialized examination by cryptographic money specialists in regards to the costs of Dogecoin, in 2024, Doge is supposed to have the accompanying least and most extreme costs, about 23 cents and 28 cents, separately. The typical expected exchanging cost is 24 cents. Dogecoin Value Expectation 2025. The specialists in the field of digital money have dissected the costs of Dogecoin and their changes during the earlier years. It is accepted that in 2025, the base Doge cost could drop to 34 cents, while its greatest can reach 42 cents. By and large, the exchanging cost will be around 35 cents. Dogecoin Value Forecast 2026. In view of the examination of the expenses of Dogecoin by crypto specialists, the accompanying greatest and least Doge costs are normal in 2026. 59 cents and 50 cents. All things considered, it will be exchanged at 52 cents. Dogecoin Value Forecast 2027. Crypto specialists are continually examining the vacillations of Dogecoin. In view of their forecasts, the assessed typical Doge cost will be around 76 cents. It could drop to at least 73 cents, yet it actually could reach 85 cents all through 2027. Dogecoin Value Expectation 2028. Consistently, digital currency specialists plan gauges at the cost of Dogecoin. It is assessed that Doge will be exchanged somewhere in the range of $1.10 and $1.31 in 2028. Its typical expense is normal at around $1.13 during the year. Dogecoin Value Expectation 2029. Digital currency examiners are prepared to declare their assessments of the Dogecoin's cost. The year 2029 not entirely settled by the greatest Doge cost of $1.89. Notwithstanding, its rate could drop to around $1.62. In this way, the normal typical exchanging cost is $1.66. Dogecoin Value Forecast 2030. Following quite a while of investigation of the Dogecoin cost, crypto specialists are prepared to give their Doge cost assessment to 2030. It will be exchanged for something like $2.15, with the conceivable most extreme tops at $2.71. Overall, you can anticipate that the Doge cost should be around $2.23 in 2030. Dogecoin Value Expectation 2031. Digital money examiners are prepared to declare their assessments of the Dogecoin's cost. The year 2031 still up in the air by the greatest Doge cost of $3.75. Nonetheless, its rate could drop to around $3.25. Thus, the normal typical exchanging cost is $3.34. Elon Musk assessment on Dogecoin. Future Dogecoin has support from Elon Musk. Every one of you have previously seen the publicity that helped Dogecoin cost. At the point when Elon Musk tweets about Dogecoin, the cost generated